Now motion in a horizontal circle. Basically, when body is moving in a horizontal circular path, centripetal force is required to move the body in circular path with a constant angular velocity. Its magnitude is given as mv omega or mv square by r or mr omega square. Any of these results you can use. Omega is 2 pi nu, or 2 pi by t. So all those values you can substitute. So this is the value of centripetal force which makes the body turn in a circular path. It acts at every point, and if it stops acting, the body will move in a tangential way. Here it is 4 pi square, sorry. It acts on the particle along the radius and is directed towards the center of the circular path. One point is very, very clear to you. Okay. And then its magnitude is constant for uniform circular motion, but it varies if radius is changing, and centripetal force is said to be variable force, and direction is if radius is changing in and direction also changes. Direction of force is also changing. Means at every point magnitude remains same, but its direction changes. Its direction varies continuously. It is a variable force. It is always a real force, which can be, it can be mechanical force also, it can be electrical force also, it can be magnetic force also, it can be gravitational force also. Okay. Its direction is perpendicular to instantaneous velocity, and so work done by centripetal force is 0. Yes, very, very important result. Since this is the displacement and this is the direction of force inside, then work done is F dot S, and then angle between F and S is 90 degree. F dot S, and it is Fs cos theta. Angle between these two is 90 degrees, so cos 90 is 0. So work done by centripetal force is always 0. Gentlemen, remember this thing. It cannot increase the kinetic energy and angular momentum of particle in the motion. Since the velocity vector is changing in direction but not in magnitude, so its value remains constant. If value remains constant means half mv square remains constant, but direction changes. So half mv square is a scalar quantity. It has nothing to do with the direction. So kinetic energy of the particle and angular momentum do not change. mvr as well as half mv square. So mass is constant, velocity constant, radius constant, half mv square, kinetic energy is also constant. Okay.